Yeah, what's up YouTube again? It's DandaREAPER, and this is part 2 because some bits went wrong, my camera went flat, so yeah, I just paused it where we were. Yeah, as I said, if any of you want to join my server, Total Miner server, then more than welcome to join. Oh, plat along land if you want. There we go. Yeah, I can make it a bit further away if you want. That there. Yeah, that's your plant land. And if you want, I'll make it bigger. At the moment, it's just a little plot of land. 1, 4, 5. Why did I just do that when I can do that? Dumbass. There we go. There we go. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do do do. Do do do. And if any of you like this video and you want to see me doing survival when it comes out, or dig deep, I will more than welcome do that as well. So, fuck. Oh shit. There we go. Yeah. And if you have any ideas for this, you're more than welcome to tell me, and I'll give you credit on the idea. And if I really like it, I'll put it on and everything. But yeah, look, everything fine. I like this. The foxy. Oh, come on, go away, go away. Thank you. Yeah, 3 will be fine. Okay. Oh wait, I know, I'm a dumbass for it. Yeah. No one's joining, so what? So, yeah. Let's just invite tons of people. There's another. Yeah. There's that. Menu, creative, fill with brick. There we go. Okay, so. Shit. There. Creative. Clear. Okay. There we go. Yeah. What the fuck, really? Really? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, fucking grass, thank you. Sometimes I'm a dumb shit. Yeah, I'm just building some stuff here. But yeah, I'm a bit non-talkative today. I don't know why. I'm usually very talkative. But yeah, it's been ages since I've uploaded video actually. So I should really upload quite a few more. Put some wood on. I like my wood stairs. Go for right. Fuck. 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 Really? I keep making mistakes, really? There we go. Get that, there, 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 there. Yeah, I really would like it if quite a few you people, well, yeah, you people on YouTube would join my server, help me out, build some stuff for me, but I will not allow any griefing. I think I've already said that. No, I haven't actually. Yeah, if you start griefing, you'll get kicked, because I hate griefing, but this is a big but, I might build an arena for you, for us all. Just build a little arena where people can just make stuff in there, just stuff that they don't really care, and don't really care if it gets broken or anything, or griefed, and that'll be where you can grief. But at the moment, no griefing is allowed, because I haven't got to that stage yet. Yeah, because I hate griefers. Sorry, I'm afraid, but I literally hate griefers. Because people on these, you know, fuck's sake, on these games, really take pride and joy in it. They don't go, oh well, it get broken. So yeah. Fuck's sake, get that bit. Yeah, I've got this little world I'm building right now. Okay. Okay. Wish there was a angle stairs. Minecraft doesn't even have that. Pardon me. Ah, bollocks. Ah. Okay. Fucking hell. Really? It's starting to piss me off now. Come on. Thank you. There we go. I don't know what to do for the top now. Fuck up. What should I do? Oh, I know. I know. I just thought about it. There we go. No, that doesn't look right. Okay, now. As we do a chimney there. That means that means it's going to be about this. Watch what? So that'll be chopped. That'll be chopped. That'll be that. And then we can go right there. We can just go like this. Wait, no. Oh, I know. Since it does that, we'll go like that. There we go. Looks fine. Fine as hell. One in the corner there. Chimney. This is my little house I'm building right now. But of course, you can build your own house. if you join my server. No, I like it like that, and then I'll get. Oh fucking hell, can't even remember how flipping fire is made. And there's really one next to me, but it's not really micro version. Bloody music. So have it like that. That could work. Like that. And have that like that. Bollocks. Like that. Like that. Like that. There we go. That looks fine. But I think that should be that big. No, I don't like it that. So that'll be that big. We'll do fire. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. So 1, 2. There we go. I don't know what to do as a chimney. Just do wood at the moment. No, because that's got to be like that. There we go. There we go. And we can just break all this. Because we don't want this. We want this. There we go. Whoa. I don't know what to do for this though. I'll just do that for now. There we go. Windows. I haven't got any windows at the moment, but oh well. And what we do is we'll do. So it looks like it's making. Do it here as well. Oh, I know. Delete that. Do that. And go. There we go. And then if it's like this. Yeah, there we go. And it's firing. After that. There we go. Check it's on. Yay, that looks pretty. But I know one thing I'm gonna do. Shit. Can't. Okay. Oh well. Yeah, that looks pretty. It's on fire. Looks like fire. That's fantastic. Go. Got a little room. Okay. We've got 40 minutes, so see you.